Discover the YUHE Sushi Maker, the perfect kitchen companion for beginners and sushi lovers alike. Crafted from thick, durable plastic, this 7-piece set includes everything you need to create the adorable heart, triangle, round, or square sushi shapes easily. Simply fill, press, and enjoy. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. It makes sushi making fun and stress-free. Host amazing sushi parties right at home and impress your friends. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the RUIENCOMM Fish Tweezers, your new go-to kitchen tool for effortless fish deboning and feather plucking. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, these tweezers offer two styles for maximum versatility. Flat for general bones and slant for hard-to-reach spots. Their ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making perfect for chefs of all skill levels. Easy to clean and safe for food contact, they're ideal for removing tiny bones from fish, feathers from poultry, or even precise eyebrow plucking. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to make perfect Japanese rice balls called onigiri? The OUWEWIN Onigiri mold is your new best friend. Made from food-grade non-stick plastic, it shapes 6 rice balls at once with just a gentle press. It's so simple to use. Just feel close and press. This portable, lightweight kit is great for school, office, or outdoor adventures. Plus, it can double as storage container for leftovers. Get creative with sushi, snacks, or desserts. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the KitchenCraft Fish Tweezers, the essential tool for every seafood lover. Made from durable stainless steel, these 12-centimeter long tweezers make removing bones from fish quick and effortless. Their comfortable grip ensures precise handling, while their easy-to-wash design saves you time in the kitchen. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, these tweezers are built to last and come with a 12-month guarantee. Upgrade your fish preparation day. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the SUCCFLY fish scaler, the perfect tool for effortless fish cleaning. Featuring 24 large wedge-shaped saw teeth with a safety cover, it ensures thorough and even scale removal without scratching the fish or hurting your hands. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-proof and built to last. The ergonomic handle makes scaling comfortable and safe, whether you're at home or outdoors. This versatile tool is ideal for all fish types. It makes a great gift. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the JUHNEED Fish Scaler, your new favorite kitchen tool for effortless fish cleaning. This set includes 3 premium stainless steel fish scale removers with different functions, making scale removing quick and safe. Designed with ergonomic handles, they provide a comfortable, firm grip and prevent slipping. Easy to clean and store with the built-in ring foot hanging, these tools work beautifully on all types of fish, including salmon, sea bass, sardines, and trout. Perfect for professional chefs and home cooks alike. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.